What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and I have a problem with this picture. I have this picture is a photo I took from my iPhone, and when I try to upload this photo into my WordPress I get an error. Why? Because of the file format. It's .heic. Let me show you. Here is the photo. Now let me show this into the gallery. As you can see, the photo uploads but never appears. This is because WordPress have no support for this file type, the format that iPhones take pictures. But how to add this support to WordPress? How to upload these files on WordPress without needs for converting these files to JPG? First thing, navigate to WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, go to WordPress. On the browser address bar, domain plus wp-admin, enter with email and password, and you're going to be able to see a page almost like this one, that is your WordPress dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, there is a field called Search Plugins. You're going to click and type HEIC support. All you have to do now is hit the Upload Now button and hit the Activate button. Now, as soon as you hit the Activate, the plugin gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on our WordPress website. And here is the plugin. You can move to Settings, and here are the options: thumbnails, and right here HEIC support. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!